Unlock the power of your Costco Cash Card and turn those savings into amazing deals with this comprehensive guide. First things first, let's check your Costco Cash Card balance. You can do this easily by visiting the Costco website and navigating to the membership section, then selecting Costco Cash Card alternatively. You can check your balance at any Costco warehouse register or by calling the number on the back of your card. Knowing your balance ensures you don't overspend and can plan your purchases accordingly. Redeeming your Costco Cash Card in store is incredibly straightforward. Simply present your card to the cashier at checkout and they will apply the balance towards your purchase. It's as simple as that. Remember, Costco Cash Cards can be used for almost all purchases, including groceries, electronics, clothing, and even gas at Costco fuel stations. However, please note that they cannot be used to purchase additional Costco Cash Cards or Costco services like travel or insurance. Looking to shop from the comfort of your home? Redeeming your Costco Cash Card online is just as easy. Head over to Costco.com and add your desired items to your cart. During the checkout process, you'll see an option to apply a Costco Cash Card. Enter your card number and PIN, and the balance will be deducted from your order total. It's a convenient way to get your Costco favorites delivered right to your door. To truly maximize your card's value, consider using it during promotional periods or for larger purchases you were already planning. This allows you to offset significant expenses and enjoy even greater savings. Think of it as a direct discount on your Costco shopping spree. Costco Cash Cards also make fantastic gifts. Whether for a birthday, holiday, or just to say thanks, they offer the flexibility for the recipient to choose exactly what they need or want from Costco. It's the gift of savings and quality, all wrapped up in one. So there you have it. A simple, step-by-step approach to redeeming your Costco Cash Card, both in store and online. Happy shopping and happy saving with Costco.